My battery about to die. Hold on. I know that I have been going for a little minute because I posted a video a month ago, then I posted 2 weeks. Like, if you just look at the time frame on my videos, I haven't been consistent because, again, nursing school is true. It is. But we are finding time and putting ourselves back on a routine and a schedule to get things done. With that being said, we have another wig install for you guys today, and we're going to be using new glue. So we're going to use this glue right here. Hold on. There we go. And I've used this before, but I've used it in a tube, so hopefully, like, you know, it's the same. And then we're also, I've been waiting to get my hands on this. We're also going to be using the Ebon lace melting spray. So these are the two new items, and I'm gonna let y'all know how they go. We already have our ball cap on, and let's get started. Today we're doing a 24-inch straight, but y'all know I don't do straight hair. I like my hair curly. So we're gonna see. I think in my head I want to do a middle part, but y'all, I just don't like middle parts on me. Like, I just don't. But we're gonna see what it looks like. And yeah, so I think I want to talk to y'all instead of doing a voiceover for this whole video. So I'm removing my combs. Y'all know that I don't keep these combs in because I have a ball cap on, and then like, they're just really uncomfortable. We are going to keep the back comb this time because the way that my braid down is, I have a braid that runs across the back. So we're going to keep that one because it'll, you know, secure the wig back there. So the last wig that I did, pop a picture up here, or a boomerang, because y'all, let me tell y'all, that wig, the black on black with the black on black, was blacking, and I was looking good. But the last wig I did was small, and I know in the video y'all probably saw me cut like the actual lace away from the tracks in the back, and it's because it was small. And so if a wig is too small for your head, just cut the track or cut the lace away from the track, and it'll allow the lace to go in the way, you know, that you need. So first, let me say, this is the first time ever from Amazon I am getting a full 13x4 lace, and not a full 13x4 and not a 13x4 and a 13x1 on the sides. So if you're ever putting on a wig and it's like ruffling up in the front, it's because the wig is too big. You need to tighten your bands up on the side. And I have a relatively small, like, in my head is big, but wig size, my head is actually really small, to be honest. And so I always have to end up tightening my combs all the way up or overlapping them in the back. It just depends. So let's just tighten these all the way up and see what they do. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. I can't stand all this lace in the front because I can't see. So I'm going in with, I'll show y'all the new one. The cream, the Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation, the number 9. I normally use the number 10, but it's been too dark for me. So I've been using the number 9, and then I use the number 10 around the edge of the lace to get rid of that light little spell that's there. So if I do a side part, I want to, if I do a side part, I want to do no baby hairs, and I want to do a fishtail on the side. But again, I don't know. We're gonna see. So I've already prepped my skin. I'm going to hot comb this back just to get these little flyaways out the way. No, we're just gonna hot comb it back. T-pins. I can never place my wig back where I had it, so we use 2 T-pins to go across the top, and that way it stays where I need it to be. Find, and it can even go like right here. Find your braid, and be careful, you will poke your scalp and be mad. Here goes. I don't know. There's nothing in the middle. Yeah, we'll just do. Alright, one right there. Now, roll that bad boy back. So with this glue, you really got to shake it down, or your thumb gonna get tired, like mad tired. So let's get started. And we'll probably do 3 layers of these. So I do have another wig coming, and y'all, don't kill me. I know I said that I was not doing Amazon companies no more, but school is about to get real, and I will have to cut back my hours that I'm working. So if I could become a wig content creator and just get some extra money, you know what I mean? But I am working with, like, the curly wig came from a company that I previously worked with. They send you half of the money when you order, and then you get the other half after your review goes live. They're really nice. They respond in a timely manner on their time because they are, you know, on the other side of the world. This wig came from a different company, but she gave me half of it as well once I ordered. And so that's not a, you know, an issue. You just really got to be aware of the scammers. So let me tell y'all, this company hit me up, or supposedly company, these 2 companies hit me up. And was like, hey, we have an Amazon company, we have new wigs, would you like to promote? I'm like, yeah, cool. So they sent me, so first of all, if they're sending you 3 or 4 wigs at one time, it's a scam. Because most of the time when companies need a promotion on a wig, they do 1 wig at a time. Or at least in my experience, they've only done 1 wig at a time. They have not done 2, 3, no. They have a wig and they be like, do you like this one? If you say yeah, they're gonna move on with the process. If you say no, they're gonna say, okay, we'll get back with you when our next wig rolls out. Or that's just, you know, been my experience. I have turned down a couple companies because I don't like bangs. I don't like bangs. They're not for me. But I got a feeling that that glue is too far forward. And if it is, it's okay. So, all right, boom. This company was sending like 6 wigs. I was like, oh, I like this one because I really wanted a curly wig. And they was like, okay, while Amazon has a new process, you have to pay $40 for shipping. I know you're lying. First of all, it don't cost $40 to ship on Amazon unless you're ordering like furniture or something. Second of all, I'm not paying you that. I'm not. So she was like, we need your billing address, shipping address, email, your full name, excuse me, and your phone number. I said, girl, for what? And she was like, I said, well, what website am I ordering it from? Like, is it Amazon? Is it your website? Like, what is it? And she's like, no, it's a new website. We will place the order for you. And no, I'm good. I'm good, big homie. I am so good. So beware. If they tell you you have to pay the $40, they're scamming. Don't do it. Trust me, I got scammed out of $99 and my bank did not give it back to me. So I'm just saying. I have another 24-inch straight wig coming. And I don't know if I'm going to put that on me or put it on Bria. But it got to go on somebody. It probably can go on me because I have a break coming up. And y'all, I'm so sad I don't get to go home like I had planned to. I won't be able to make it to the girl's birthday. Like, it's just a lot I cannot do because of school, which is okay. I knew what I was getting myself into. You get 4 week breaks, but it's 3 breaks a year. And you get all federal holidays. You get 1 in May, 1 in July, and then 2 weeks for what's that thing called? 2 weeks for Christmas. So we are going to blow dry this on cool, only because it's still really, really white and I want it to dry up some because I'm not trying to be here all day. Let's pull our wig forward and place her down. And when you're placing, there we go. Place it down in there. I use my finger to get it in the place that I need first. Right? Come on this side. Take your comb. Massage that wig in, girl. Now that that's done, before we take our T-pins out, brush it back, right? And I just like to do 2 clips instead of doing 1 big clip. Before you take your T-pins out, do not take them out yet. Brush it back. Clip. Now I'm going in with this spray because we're not melting it yet. Right? And you just want to spray. Don't push it all the way down because it'll go like everywhere. Just push it slightly till it like comes out. Right on the edge. It's gonna help it lay down where it needs to be. All right, you don't want that to be really wet when you go to put your melt band on because it will just transfer all of it to the melt band. Add a middle clip. And I'm gonna let y'all know this right now. These Velcro melt bands are love. L-O-V-E-E-E-N. So if any company decides to watch this video and y'all send me a wig, please send me a Velcro band. And you know what? I think it's crazy. I don't be getting no good gifts with my wigs. Like, I get the basic, the normal. This Velcro band, like, give me some good stuff. All right, we can take these out now. Put them back. I organized underneath my sink, you guys. And I have all my wig stuff in one, like, organizer. And then all natural hair stuff in another organizer. All right. Let's flatten it out. This is a wax stick that I use. You can use whichever wax stick you want. Did y'all get it? You can use whichever wax stick you want to use. I've had this for 2 years now, so this is just what I use. Oh y'all, so if you watch my vlogs, so first of all, I'm doing hair in front of the window with the natural lighting, and because this mirror is right here, I know y'all see the new background. We're in the living room. It's really because I'm going to paint this mirror to make it a vanity mirror instead of buying one, because then this mirror would just go to waste. But if you watch my vlogs, you know that after I do my wigs, I come take pictures in the window, and I have a neighbor right across who I know for a fact be like, yo, this girl's a weirdo. Well, yesterday I was taking the dogs out. No. A couple weeks ago, I was taking the dogs out and we were trying to do like off leash training, and let's just say we stopped that. And so, cause he has a Doberman, and his Doberman and Junie, they get along very, very well. They just run everywhere. Because it's not a dog park, it's not fenced in, they were in the parking lot, they were just doing a lot. So that same day that our dogs were playing with each other, I was outside again with the dogs, but he wasn't, but he was like going somewhere. And so he rode up behind me and he was like, well, hey neighbor. And I was like, hola, hello governor. And so I see him passing and going or whatever. Well, yesterday I was taking the dogs out, looking as good as I normally look. And he get out the car and I saw him, but I ain't paying no attention to him because I was watching my video on TikTok. If y'all haven't seen the video on TikTok, go watch it. Right? Go watch it. And so he was getting out the car and he goes, well, hey neighbor. Now mind you, we're not really neighbors. We just live in the same cubicle for apartments. And so I was like, oh, hey. And then he started walking through. He was like, so what is your name? I said, Dawn. He was like, oh, okay. And don't ask me what this man's name is. Cause I'll tell you, I'm horrible at names. Like my brain be in other places when certain people tell me their names. And for him, I was like, Lord, don't let this man try to kidnap me. But no, he seems like a nice guy. But I was like, yeah, I'm Dawn. He's like, oh, I don't freaking know. I want to say Tyreek, but that is not that man's name. I know for a fact it's not Tyreek, bro. Like, I know it's not. But, whatever. Oh, Junie, why are you so close to me? Thank you. And because this is a real, like, 13 by 4, I could mess with the part. Whew. All right. It's crunchy. Just do that. It'll release some of the crunchiness. Because I need this part to come around. I'm trying not to bite my tongue like I normally do. Oh, we might do the baby hairs because this part is parting. But first, let's cut this lace off. And y'all know I go in with an eyebrow razor. I cut little slits in it to make it easier because I'm right-handed, not ambidextrous. There we go. Ah. Excuse me, when you are cutting with a eyebrow razor, you have to be careful not to cut your skin. Like I'm telling y'all now, be careful. And pull it out. And you're gonna cut some of the hair off and that's perfectly fine. That's fine. All right. Time for the new stuff. All right. Directions to work effectively: apply in sections, spray along the hairline, apply to the lace and allow it to dry with a blow dryer or a fan on the coolest. Repeat as needed. Finally, for best results, tie down for 15 to 20 minutes. All right. We are not going to spray this on our hair. We are going to, because if y'all, I know y'all can see the lace, which is fine. Judy, can you back up? All right, we are gonna spray this on our finger. Oh, it comes out straight. You can spray this directly on your lace. I still don't want to. Maybe you shouldn't. Ooh, I scratched my scalp, and y'all know my scalp is like, I don't want to say sensitive, but it is. But it's only sensitive with the scratching. I scratched it when I was putting oil and leave-in. Like, do y'all see her starting to the thing about putting wigs on, first of all, make it to your liking, right? But secondly, you gotta fake it till you make it. You really do. And also, putting on wigs, like, yeah, you know how to do it, but for me, what's worked for me is like finding people's videos who are influencers and like watching some of their techniques that I can adopt. That's what's really worked for me. It says to blow dry on cool, and it says to do 2 to 3 layers. So, and I want to show y'all. So the closer you get to the hairline with the lace, the like easier it's gonna melt compared to if you leave some over here. But again, we could blend that in. That's why I'm not pressed for it. All right, let's tie this down. And because I have a new lace band, because y'all know I be getting glue and stuff everywhere because I have a new one, we can just boom, put it right on there. Am I gonna have glue and stuff on this later? Probably, but it's fine. You know, we take them and we wash them. All right. Are we gonna curl this hair? We are, because I don't want it straight. I don't know. I've never been a straight hair kind of girl. So let's curl it. This hair is actually pretty thick for an Amazon wig. All right, scissors. As we cut just a few little layers. We want them longer this time. Just a few. Clip off all the scragglies. Y'all, this is about to eat. This is about to eat, bro. All right, we have one side fully curled. I'm not gonna comb them out yet. So the easiest way to pass time when you're melting your lace, style it, do something else. I don't sit and wait. So, nope, that did not work. There we go. Now that we're curled, we are gonna pin this back. Then we're gonna take this band off. Ooh, my ears. And see, I knew I was gonna have glue, but it's okay. Cause let me tell you how we're gonna clean that up. I need to give me some Q-tips, but I don't have any right now. Oh, yo, I just keep getting better and better with these wigs. Take some alcohol and just clean it. Legit, it's not gonna take. Don't be rubbing on your lace now. But all in front, where all that is, clean it off. with some alcohol. We are taking the number 10 Ruby Kiss, and we're gonna take the darker side of it. Trust me, trust me, trust me. And you just wanna dab it on there. And then it's just gonna get rid of that little light cast that you have going. I really should have cut that part of the lace, but it is okay. I'm not going back in because it's definitely melted down. Where are you just going? I'll fix that. All right, baby hairs. Yep. And I'm not a pro with baby hairs. You don't have to be a pro with baby hairs, but the more you do them, the better you'll get, if that's something that you want. I do not do baby hairs on all of my wigs, just some. If I feel like it needs it, I'll do it. But if final look. Oh y'all, I did. Who did that? I did it. With the little swoop to doop bang. Now you already know who I gotta call. First person, my mama. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this very detailed video, and I think I showed you guys all the products that I use. If not, I think I did. But if you guys want a video on every single product that I use, the brushes, the comb, like all of that, just let me know. I can record that for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will be back with another one. And yes, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, send my videos to your friends, you know, anybody. I'm trying to become a wig content creator, you know, so help your girl out. So it's so cute, like it's so cute. And here goes Shuni. So I will see you guys in the next video. It'll either be on me or Bria, but it's going to be another long wig like this. And I think I might add, I saw that one girl added tape-ins for color. I really don't want to, like, I'm not spending my money on these wigs, and that's the thing about it. So I don't know if I'm gonna do tape-ins or if I'm gonna just like actually grab some pieces and color it myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The black on me, she's eating. She's been eating lately. So all right, I'm done talking. I will see y'all in the next video.